So this here guys is the scratching post. It's very good, and it is as was shown in the picture. Although the color in the picture was blue and they delivered it red, so a little regret on that side, because they delivered the house blue and the scratching post red. The cat won't find a difference, and they delivered the clippers also in color blue, and they are also looking nice. uh, it is good, heavy, not going to fall down very easily even if the cat pushes it around. The material is all fabric and rope, nothing too fancy about it. And the clippers, they are also looking nice. Let's see. These here are the clippers. They told me they will give me the big ones, but I don't think they are any bigger. But I wanted for the cat to, these look for the cat. Would have to get some training on how they work first. The filers look good. So these two products are good. On assembling the cat house, I'll make another video and tell you if my cat likes it or not, and if it's as good as these two products here. So take care and see you next time. Thank you guys.